But notice when you have those rain showers that pop up.
As meteorologists, we love our weather terminology.
Now, this rain on the move.
So there's a look at the water vapor imagery. This is right along that trough.
Here's what we mean when we say there's a 50% chance of rain on a certain day. 50% chance we could have showers. 50% chance it's all sunny skies. But what about when we get more technical? Scattered versus isolated thunderstorms. Do you know the difference?
Scattered, I figure, would be a little bit more spread out, obviously, and not as dense, maybe.
If you hear isolated or scattered thunderstorms from the forecast, what do you think?
I don't know.
Maybe.
Even our meteorologists can't always agree. Everyone has a different idea. What do you think?
I'd say fairly numerous and not so much.
I tell them that scattered means a little bit more than isolated.
If it's a 70% chance of rain, is that you have a 70% chance of rain at a specific location, or is it 70% coverage of rain over an area?
Right. Are we using the traditional term for probability of precipitation, which is 1/100th of an inch of rain at any specific point? Because if that's the case, it's a very broad definition of how much rain you're going to get. But if you're doing coverage, sure, then you could say, okay,
It's
how
so
much
convoluted,
area.
it really is.
So let's get right to our Global Forecast Center for the official word.
Just a little more widespread if you're looking at scattered coverage of thunderstorms, and very few and far between. Chances are you're not going to see anything if it's just isolated in the forecast.
So maybe the inflection in my voice makes a difference. But hit or miss means most of us will miss it, some of us will hit it. Whether that's isolated or scattered, you make the call.
So does that clear the air?